So hey friends, today we are going to learn how to solve a 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. So it has many sides. It has 9 boxes. The middle, this is called a middle one. These 4 are called corner ones, and these are edge ones. So for this we have many algorithms, but to solve it there is a only simple way that we are going to learn today. Now let's scramble it. So it is enough now. So let's start from the orange one now. So to make this first layer, we have to make a orange layer here, and all this side must be completed. So now to make this orange one, here we see that we have one orange one done. So we will find a middle piece for this orange, yellow one, as here orange and yellow are there. So here it is, we have made that. Now another orange one, here it is. See, orange one, this must be on our top and this must be on bottom. As this is in bottom one, we have to match this with it respective color. So here we have made it. Now to bring this up, we have just simply made it twice. So we have here, see, we have a full line. Now here we have to make a plus on our topmost side. Now this here, as I told you, we have to take every this one in and our lower layer. So here we go, lower layer, and keep it back. Friends, do not forget to keep it back, as this making this down, it will scramble others. So finding a green one, here we have green one, but as we see that this one is not on the bottom one. For here, this needs to be bottom one. So we will twist it a single right, then up. So here we say that this have made, and this needs to be here, so single. Now keeping it back, so we have a half plus. Now for this, we are finding, here it is, orange and blue. So to keep this orange upper side, we have to just simply turn it twice. See, we have made a plus. Now it's turn about the corner pieces, these 4. Now let's find a white, green and orange corner piece. So where it is, here it is. So as we want to make our orange layer, we have to bring this in between the green and yellow or white one. So as we have this our corner piece in between these two. Now as we have to keep this on our top, and now we have this space here. So as we see, it is here, the arrow will go here. We have this arrow, so turn it this side, it's down, keep it back, up, and see, we have made it, another corner one. Now let's find another one. We will find yellow and green. So where is yellow, green and orange one corner piece? No, no, where, yeah, no, yellow, green and orange one. Here it is, yellow, green and orange one. It is misplaced here, so let's bring it down. So to bring it down, we have to just simply keep this down, side and then up. See, this piece have come here. Now as I told you, we have to find green and yellow one. So keep it in between them, green and yellow, so in between this one. Now as here we had arrow this side, now as here we have arrow this side, so keep it this side, down, this and then up. See, we have made a whole half side. Now this two turn. So we need to find now a white, blue and orange one. White, blue and orange one. Here it is. So as we have white and blue it as sides, so we have to keep it in between them. Now as we see arrow goes here, so keep it this side, down, there and then up. So see, this also have matched. Now turn for this time. As you see that this is only misplaced at here, so we need to only turn it. So to turn it, keep it on your left, that face on your left, and then single down, then side, then again up. See, we have misplaced it from here to here. Now as we have blue and yellow one, so we have to keep this in between them. See, blue, yellow, here blue and yellow. So now here the arrow goes this side, so keep it simply just down, back and up. See, we have made whole our first layer, this one. See, so we have matched this and this. Now it's time for second layer. So to match second layer, if we want to match here this piece, so we need yellow and blue. So for yellow and blue we have to search where is yellow and blue. See, here it is, yellow and blue. Now as it is misplaced from here to here, we have to first of all bring it on the downmost layer. So to keep it in downmost layer, we have to just simply keep it down, keep this side, then back. Now as we see this has been here, so again we have to put this back here. So down, then back and then up. Now so to keep it has not misplaced, so to bring it back we will just keep simple this. Now to bring this in the down layer, we will first have to move this right, down, back and up. Now we have this one here, so keeping it back will replace that one, the which we wanted from here. So moving it, as we have arrow this side, down, back and then up. So we have first layer and we have displaced this layer from there to somewhere here it is. So we want to make this piece yellow and blue here. So as we have to move this place to here, so first of all we have to match this one at the upper side to the respectively color, so it has matched yellow to yellow. Now we want to move this to here, so we have to move it opposite to it, then down, then back and up. So we have placed it, it is here only, but we have moved this to down. So keeping this back, we'll move this to here. Now this arrow goes there, down, back and up. See, we have placed this from here, so we have matched this. Now another one, we will now try to have this blue and white one. So blue and white one, here it is. So if it is not matching with this and you will find it somewhere else, then we have to match this upper side color, this side one and this color to the respective color. So here we have matched, and now this is blue and white, we have to keep it here. So we will keep move this opposite, down, back, then up. Now we have misplaced this to here, so keeping it back, this side, arrow this side, down, back and up. Now see, we have made this one this much. Now time for this two. See, here we have green and yellow one, green and yellow. So first of all we have to match it to its respective color. We have matched it. We want to move this green and yellow to here, green and yellow, so we have to move it here. So keeping it opposite, down, back and then up. Now we have moved this to this. Now keeping it back, this arrows goes here, down, back, and then up. See, we have made that this much. Now only one left. Now so we have to find green and white one. Green and white one. Here it is. So we have to first of all bring it at matching for this. Here it is matching, and we have to keep this to here. So as we have to move this to here, we will move it opposite, down, back, and this up. Now we have moved displaced this from here to here, so keeping it back, this down, side, and then again up. So we have made first our two layers. See, now we have made our first two layer, and now the last layer is some interesting one. So we have, first of all, we have to keep some of the middle one which is left to, and L, inverted L type. So after keeping this, there is one algorithm. Now before knowing the algorithms, we first have to see the some important faces and sides. Now as we have made this whole layer, we will keep it in bottom, and the one which is left out will be on the top. Now this layer is called upper layer, this one, the upper layer, and this side is called as right side, right? This is known as front, and this is known as back. This up, right, front, back. So now here comes the first algorithm. Now after making this two layers and we have one layer left, we will keep an inverted L like this, and the algorithm we will apply will be this here. First of all, F this side. So here this is F, this R, up R, then U, then R reverse, then U this side, U this, and then F back. So now we have a horizontal line, and we will keep it in our horizontal face only. Then again we will apply this algorithm. This is, wait a minute, this you guys can see F, R, U, R, U, F. So we have now, and now we are, as we have completed our first two layers, it's time for third layer. Now for third layer, here it is for our first algorithm: F right, R, U up, U upper right, then R down, this down, U left, and then F right, this F1 right. So to apply this algorithm, we first have to make an inverted L over here. See, we have, so we will apply this algorithms. You guys can see here, F, R, U, R, U, no, U, F. See, L, that inverted L has gone, and here now it is vertical line, but we have to keep this vertical line in a horizontal state. Here it is horizontal, and then again apply this algorithm here, F, R, U, R, U, F. See, here we have made a plus over the third side also. Now we have to now keep this three at that original places. So there comes a second algorithm. Now we have made some sides, and now only this one is left out. So to make this, we first of all have to keep this one at our back and rest of them in our front. Now so we'll apply one algorithm, which is this. We'll apply this after keeping this done one side on the back, and now we'll apply this algorithm: R U R U R U R U R U R R. See, this has not damaged, and this red one have moved here, and this blue one here, and here it was, so green is here. Now we have to move it once more to complete this cube. So again we will apply this algorithm: R U R U R U R U R U R R. So here we have our cube done. So here these are some algorithms which you will get after this video. You can screenshot it and then use it for your making a cube perfect. So bye guys, please like, subscribe and comment.